All right, so we have the foundation set. Obviously, we have a lot of work to go, so let's get started with the background image. And like I said before, we're going to speed through a lot of this stuff that we've covered before. All right, so we've inspected the element. Let's go ahead and grab this image here. And you know the deal, we'll create an images folder. And let's go ahead and just say background. Save it. And we'll create a custom CSS file. Let's go ahead and make it two layouts or two column layouts so we can be working in this fast. And we'll say Jumbotron background image URL. Checking to make sure. Where did I just put that? Oh, put it. Let's make sure it goes into the magazine layout folder. All right, so it's in there. URL images slash background .jpg. And we'll say custom .css. Save that. This all should look familiar to you guys. CSS slash custom.css style sheet. All right, let's see how this looks now. That's not good. What did we do wrong here? Oh, got to go back. Get out of the CSS folder. There we go. Sorry about that, guys. Here we go. Trying to go through this too fast. All right, so we have, it is repeating. So background repeat, let's say no repeat. And then, actually let's work with it in here. All right, so we have background repeat, no repeat. We have background size, remember this from a couple lessons ago? We're gonna say cover. Beautiful. And then just to be sure, we want background origin X to be center. What did I do wrong there? I'm sorry. Background position X to be center, background position Y to be center. All right, so we can take all this and we'll put it in here. And we can actually consolidate this into the background shorthand property. So we're going to go ahead and grab this URL right here. And we're going to say no repeat center, center. And let's see. And it still should look the same. So let's read the page. All right, awesome. Everything looks good. One thing we do need to do here, before I forget, is we need to say, we need to give it the kits to make sure it works for Safari and Mozilla and there's one other, Opera. So say background size cover Moz background size cover and then WebKit. This just makes it go back in further editions of the different web browsers. So we're good there. You have all that. Beautiful. Now, what else? We'll speed this up for things that, we'll give it some padding at the top and at the bottom, and then that border top. So we'll go padding top, 170 pixels, padding bottom, 170 pixels, and let's say border top, I think it was 3 pixels. Was it 3 pixels? Yep, 3 pixels, solid, and then our E74C3C. So, and mainly what that's doing, the padding, is that so that we take up more of the screen, and this will get a little smaller once we make this H1 smaller, and then the border top is just to give this little hint, this little accent up top here. All right, so we have the Jumbotron ready and good to go, and then next lesson we will work on the H1.